not collecting different numbers. Quite a few of basic ones, you know. With the 25x, the boy.
I am, and hi to you. Yes, I am. Oh! Whoa! Let's go, everybody!
Yes! Yes! Come on!
100x, of course, but we will multiply everything with a 10.
Multiply all the numbers by 10. The smallest one is going to be a 50x at the moment.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Right now, let's go to celebrate good times. Come on, 5x on cash on from top slot. Let's go, cash on with a 5x from the top slot. Whoa, me lords and me ladies. Welcome to the cash on. Let's check it out what kind of multipliers we have here. We got some 50x, some 10x, and 100x. But wait a second, we will multiply everything with 5x. That's right. So the biggest multiplier right now, we got a 500x. That's right. So let's start a carousel and let's mix all the multipliers up. All right, so the carousel has been set up, guys. You know the drill. You know the mission. You know what to do. Take a good aim and take a good shot. Try to hunt that 400x down, yeah. But if you don't want to do it yourself, you're more than welcome to use that auto pick. 3, 2, 1. Let's see that.
This is the amount of money issued for 155,559 euros.
Have a look, guys. You got it. Who had that 500x? Two Queen, Te Pipeda, Mr. had the 500x. Yes, Nico, what's up? Nico, what's the score on NHL game? It's going to be another cash in? Yes, sir, with a 10x multiplier from a top slot, baby. Let's get in. Woo! The Baba power. Yeah. So let's check it out. The multiplier, the 20x, some 5x, and 100x, of course. But we will multiply everything with a 10x. Woo! So the main prize right now is going to be 1,000x. Yeah. Now we're talking. So we're going to start a carousel, mix all the multipliers, and you know the mission, you know the drill, their players, you know what to do right now. Once the carousel has been stopped, your mission right now is to take a good aim and take a good shot, try to hunt down that 1000x. But if you don't want to do it yourself, you're more than welcome to use that auto pick. Last seconds, and let's check it out.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,036,657 euros.
4th row, and let's check it out who got that.
Sir, Backles, Janetsky, and Rise. Nice Thomas. Good morning, everybody. How you doing? How you feeling? I am back. You're gonna give me a top slot? What does that mean? Can you care to explain? Yeah? Good luck. Let's go. Crazy Time 4X top slot, guys. You're the singing one, right? Oh, Flory, I remember you. You really like my singing. Oh, you guys. Wow. Wow-wee. Oh, top slot as well. What a banging start, you guys. What a beauty. What a beauty. We got a Crazy Time 4X top slot. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go, guys. You ready? Alrighty, buddy. Let's add that 4X now to everything on the wheel. And now, the most intricate moment. Choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow, guys, right now. Oh boy, this is a big choice. I hope you make the right one. You know? 400x max. Ah! Let's get it! Up! Ooh, a 40 for blue, 80x for green, and it's a double! Double for yellow, you guys. Yellow team, banana team. Any banana team people here in the chat? 800x now. That's the max. Let's go get it, baby. Oh, yeah.
This is the amount of money issued 1,542,080 euros.
800x! Oh, hey. Wow. Banger! What a
And unlucky. Top 3 winners. Betting time is open. Feel free to place your bets. Tuesday? It's Thursday, man. It's Thursday, no? Yeah, I believe it's Thursday. Has to be. I don't know. But okay. At least I think it's Thursday. Queenie, yes, I am. And hi to you. Yes, I am. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold the phone. 20x on cash on everybody. Get in, everybody. 20x. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Hey. Oh. Starting to get hot in here, everybody. 20x on the top slot. Cash hunt. We're going to have 9 of these 100x's. There we go. Apply the 20x, please. Whoa! Let's go, everybody. 2K. Man. Let's go, guys. This is straight up juice, ladies and gentlemen. Man, I'm excited. I'm starting to sweat. I don't know about you guys, but palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. Good thing I don't have a sweater on me because I would have a woman on a sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, right? All right, folks. Hey, everything is straight up juice here, guys. So best of luck to getting that 2,000. And we have 9 of them. We have 9 of those 2,000 X's, folks. Cannot wait. Looking forward to this. I'm going to venture a guess as well. I'm going to take...
This is the amount of money issued 1,808,739 euros.
This is incredible, folks. We have 870 of you with 2,000 X. BEA, a beautiful 10,786 winners, everybody.
Let's go for another round. Let's see how it goes. Did you get anything good? Only a cash hunt for 3x from the top slot. I suppose. Good luck now. Bye-bye. 2x on Pachinko. And finally, this time for Pachinko with 2x from the top slot. Benji, I think you are bringing some luck around with yourself. It's crazy indeed. Anyways, let's see. We are getting 2x is the lowest multiplier. Got 3, 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, and 100. Of course, a double too. So doubling the whole on the highest multi is 200x, and also we have a double. So you never know, maybe catching a double would be quite cool for the win, you guys. Can we get a 200x, please?
This is the amount of money issued to 122,414 euros.
200x right here, 3,592. Beautiful win.
Yeah, if the game pays, it's easy to host because everybody's happy and I'm just going with the flow. I literally don't need to do anything. That's close. The chat loves me if we get bonuses and I just go with the flow. But if Chris and Crazy on the top slot, the game doesn't pay, which happens, obviously, I just basically accept it as it is. Oh! Crazy top of the 3x top slot! Alright, hey, follow me, lads. Let's go. Do you see this, everybody?
Wow!
The game delivers. I love it. So, now that you see the whole wheel, let's triple the fun. 3x on top of every single multiplier you can see. And now, make your decision. Will it be green, blue, or maybe yellow? Or auto pay. That's also a thing. Yeah, 3 options. 3 options for you to go with. Imagine.
Wow!
Final moments, ladies and gentlemen. Beauty is in the house, and I really hope that this will be the moment. 300x maximum. I'm waiting for doubles.
This is the amount of money issued 111,111 euros.
Oh my days. 45 yellow, 75 green, 300 for the blue team, lads. Special compliments. That's the maximum. To say that I am shocked is an understatement, okay? 300x. Blue team. Well done, chaps. Gerald, welcome back. Let's go.
Who got the 100? Got one. Nice, Belbs. A 10x. Yeah. Congratulations to everyone who got the 100. I think it's pretty nice. We have a catch up with the timestamp on the top slot. Back to back. We missed that one. We don't have enough no way. No way. Ladies and gentlemen, back-to-back cash runs, but this time with a times 10. Let's go. Welcome back once more. You already know how it goes. We have a board full of numbers. Now, let's multiply all the numbers by 10. The smallest one is going to be a 50x at the moment. The highest one is going to be a 1000x. Not quite the 2500. Still good. Pull thy lever to get the carousel started. I didn't really see how many 1000s we had. I assume there were a few of them, right? Now, it is going to be the end of this shuffling. It is your decision time to pick the best one. Now I say just go with your gut feeling. You pick one, you stay on it. Don't change it, no matter what. Now, decision time is closed. Boom.
This is the amount of money issued 140,050 euros.
Can't really find it that quickly. Well, still congratulations to those who got the 1,000. Let's get back to the wheel. Pachinko. 7. This is not a bingo. Come on. We're not collecting different numbers. Cash hunt with a 25x. Oh, no way. Oh, no way. Oh, no way. Cash hunt with a 25. Let's go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a very special cash hunt where we have a 25x on the board with us. So let's take a look at the multipliers. I see quite a few of basic ones, you know. With the 25x, the board looks much tastier. The highest multiplier we have is 2,500. Let's pull that lever. The carousel has now started. Numbers are being mixed up. Up, down, left, right. They're going everywhere. Now it's going to be your job to get that 2,500. By 2,500, I obviously mean 2,500, which is actually insane. Can you imagine that? Wow. Decision time is closing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's open up the board.
This is the amount of money issued, 362,571 euros.
It's somewhere around all these huge numbers. Let's head back to the wheel. Okay. Now, I think every single one of those numbers were good. I know everyone wanted the 2,500, and I know some of you got the 125, which was the low.
Thank you for the nice words. Likewise, buddy. Stay strong. See you at the top with it. Well done. Stay strong, my man. All love from Lithuania. Let's go. Have a wonderful weekend. No cash out. I don't know that person. That's the person. I love you, Yuri. I love you too. 20x on Pachinko on the top spot. You mean you're not sure if you're going to go back? Well, I'm not sure when I will go back, Manalo. Pachinko 20x? Come on, please! Come on! Woo! Pachinko 20x, everybody! Do you see that? Do you see that, lads? Hey! Hey! 20x? 20x, not 2x, 20x. Look at those numbers. Look at those numbers grow. 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, more, 20, 40x, double. Oh, look at those numbers grow. Boom, there's a double on the board. We might get it. 800x. Is that the maximum? Yeah, 800x. Please. I'm not asking for too much. All I'm asking for is those 3 digits to land. Come on, man. You can do it. I've never had a 20x Pachinko in my life. Come on, buddy. 800x. 800. Hey, this is dangerous. This is dangerous. This is... Yes! Yes! Come on!
This is the amount of money issued, 686,256 euros.
Wow. Yes! Best close. Yes! 800x with a 20.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.